Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought I'd show you how to draw in Adobe Fresco. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Screen. Right here, you click new drawing here. And these are all the brushes we have here. We have tons and tons and tons of brushes here. Kind of want to do watercolor brush, so we're gonna go get the bluish, greenish blue. I'm just gonna use this here. It does sort of like a live thing. And then sort of creates this illusion. I kind of like it so much better than Procreate. And then I'm going to add this, a little blue here, 51. And then I also want to add trees. This. They kind of like cloud stuff. And then I'm going to add a layer underneath here with a brown. Or get brown here. Just gonna undo there. Just gonna do a dollop. Or this, we're just gonna do this. It's not that perfect, but I think it's good. I don't know. Maybe you should have made thinner bottom. I'll do it again. It just needs like a little bit of that. And then a tiny one here. And then add some darker yellow here. And then we're gonna add a white here. It looked better on the right side, but I'm okay with that. Then we're gonna add another layer here. And then sunset and some clouds, maybe even some snow. For the sunset, I want it to be blue, maybe orange. And then maybe below here, a lighter one. One that's purple here. This is a quick illustration. Not that complicated. And then I'm just gonna cover cover it up with this pimple if there's any like white spaces here. So then it sort of combines with it. And then what we're gonna do is put this all the way at the bottom here. I do wanna change the opacity here. I'm probably gonna go here. No more here. And then make the opacity a little bit like this. Pass through. There's all sorts of modes. I don't know which one to use. Maybe this one. And it looks like this so far. I don't know if I like the trees. I might have to take away the trees. I don't know if I like them. I don't know if I should add anything. This should be normal. It looks fine just the way it is. Maybe I should just add some Christmas strips. Just adding here. All you do is add there. Or you can press on this. And I also changed my Apple Pencil tip, so that might help a bit with the drawing. I think you're supposed to like change them every once in 5 months or something. So this is a new Apple Pencil tip. The one I had is like very like used, I guess. So we're just gonna put a dark green trees here. That actually sets more better than the other one. This brown red. It looks like a good tree. Now I'm just gonna do one here. That looks way better than the fall tree. It sets the mood quite a bit. I don't know if I like that trunk. That looks better. The back, I want to add some orange to this. I wanted to add it to the sunset here. Maybe it's fine that it's blended. maybe it is fine just the way it is here. I wanted to add it. Maybe that's fine. I can just add some green back here. That seems to be fine. And I can add a new layer here. And then add some snow. I think that's the basic thing that we got going here. All I did is to make it full screen, just did this, and then you can just probably press this to get out of it. So that is basically how you create this beautiful, pleasing, snowy thing. Snowy little artwork here. Take a picture right there. So yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. It's so amazing and so easy. And I really like Adobe Fresco, and maybe you should keep using it. So yeah, it's your turn to try something new. So yeah, have a great day and happy almost holidays. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.